Hi.
Wow, Mr. Squidward. I'm Squidward Jr. Do you fall for my puppy eyes?
Dom, you're normal looking.
You fought. Take out mother. She's mean. Moogie! We beat the parents. We beat the parents. Oh no!
It's eyes.
Let's beat them up!
I can't see.
I got you!
Oh my god. Oh my god.
No!
Help us. If you want to help us, please comment on this video. We need help from these little crazy animals. Please help us!